If you're experiencing issues with payments not going through on TD Ameritrade, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify common issues and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your account balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Verify payment method. Confirm that the payment method you are using is valid and correctly linked to your TD Ameritrade account. Check for any expired cards or incorrect bank account information that may be causing the issue. Step 3. Review transaction limits. Be aware of any transaction limits that may apply to your account. TD Ameritrade may have restrictions on the amount you can transfer or withdraw at one time. Check the terms and conditions for your account type. Step 4. Clear browser cache. If you're using the website to make a payment, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can interfere with transactions. After clearing, refresh the page and attempt the payment again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to TD Ameritrade's customer support. They can provide specific assistance and help identify any account-related issues that may be preventing your payment from going through. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve payment issues on TD Ameritrade. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support for further assistance.